The next 72 hours are no ordinary stretch of time, dear Aquarius. From June 14th to June 16th, the cosmos opens a powerful astrological portal, a celestial window shimmering with rare potential, destined to recalibrate your path. Whether you've been seeking clarity, courage, change, or a cosmic green light to leap into your future, this is it. This period isn't just a random alignment of planets, it's a sacred, transformative juncture where fate and free will dance together. The energy of this portal asks you to heed your inner voice, shake off outdated patterns, and boldly realign with your true calling. The question isn't if the universe is speaking to you. The question is, will you answer the call? Let's dive into this potent phase and break down exactly what it means for you, Aquarius, the visionary, the rebel, the water bearer of the zodiac. In astrology, a cosmic portal is a temporary yet powerful energetic window, a moment when the universe turns up the volume and whispers something deeply personal to your soul. These portals don't just open randomly. They're the result of major planetary alignments that create a charged atmosphere for transformation, breakthroughs, and next-level decisions. From June 14th to June 16th, we're stepping into one of these rare moments. This 72-hour portal carries the kind of energy that can shift your mindset, upgrade your life path, or even alter the way you see yourself. And it's happening right now. Here's what's fueling this cosmic opening. The moon transitions from Sagittarius to Capricorn. This shift encourages us to move from dreaming big to taking grounded action. It's about turning wild ideas into real plans and visions into steps. Pluto in Aquarius. This long-term transit is already stirring deep internal shifts for many of us, especially Aquarian. During this portal, Pluto pushes us to break free from outdated patterns and radically reinvent ourselves. Venus-Mars, activation Venus, love, values, and Mars, drive action, are dancing in the skies, stirring bold emotions, creative power, and courage. It's the perfect time to pursue passion projects or people with heart and fire. Sun squares Saturn. This alignment brings discipline and serious reflection. You may feel challenged or tested, but it's only to ensure you're building something real, stable, and long-lasting. This 72-hour portal isn't chaos, it's calculated magic. Think of it like a software update for your soul. It brings up what needs healing, reveals what's been hiding in your subconscious, and offers the green light to take action you've been delaying. What makes this window special is the combination of energies: insight, power, structure, and momentum. You're being nudged to align with your higher path, and the decisions you make now carry extra weight. Even the small ones, you might feel more intuitive, emotional, or energized than usual. You may experience vivid dreams, deep realizations, or the urge to make a bold move. That's the portal working with you. So if life feels a little more electric, a little more intense, it's not your imagination. The universe has opened a door, and for 72 hours it's yours to walk through. Aquarius, this isn't just any cosmic moment, it's your moment. You're ruled by Uranus, the planet of disruption, innovation, and awakening. That already makes you one of the zodiac's most forward-thinking and unconventional signs. But now, the energy is cranked up even higher because Pluto is in your sign, and that changes everything. From 2024 to 2044, Pluto in Aquarius is reshaping how we define identity, technology, community, and freedom on a global scale. But on a personal level, it's reshaping you. This 72-hour portal, June 14th to 16th, is like a cosmic preview, a fast-forward glimpse into who you're becoming. It's a quantum window that brings the long game into the now. You may feel it as a sudden download, a sense of urgency, or a strong inner knowing that something needs to shift. That's no accident. Here's why this is hitting home for you. Pluto in Aquarius is personal. This isn't just about global trends, it's about you stepping into your power, releasing outdated identities, and awakening to your full potential. This portal helps you take those visionary dreams and ground them in real-world action. You've been feeling the pressure to change for months, maybe even years. You've sensed something building inside you, a quiet revolution, the need to reinvent, redirect, or break free. But maybe the clarity just wasn't there yet. This portal clears the static. You're finally able to connect the dots. That crazy idea you've been sitting on, that passion project, that urge to change cities, careers, or even relationships. Now is the time to trust your inner frequency and act on it. If you've been doubting yourself or holding back because your ideas felt too weird, too ambitious, or too risky, stop. The universe isn't just giving you permission, it's giving you a push. This is your activation window, a cosmic green light, and it's tailor-made for your sign. So don't let this energy pass you by. The choices you make in these 72 hours could ripple across the next 20 years of your life. The 72-hour cosmic portal from June 14th to June 16th unfolds in 3 potent phases, each building on the next, like a spiritual upgrade. Think of it like a 3-step process: awaken, act, align. Each day carries its own energy, message, and invitation for transformation. Here's your detailed day-by-day guide to navigating this once-in-a-lifetime energetic opening. June 14th, the awakening. The moon in Sagittarius lights up your inner seeker. This is the spark, the cosmic aha moment. You may experience a sudden realization, a strange dream that sticks with you, or an intuitive download that stops you in your tracks. Something inside you says, "Pay attention." The universe is pulling back the curtain on the beliefs, habits, or fears that have been holding you back. Don't brush off that gut feeling today. It's trying to show you where you've been settling or playing small. Keywords: epiphany, release, clarity. Astro. Tip: keep a notebook or journal nearby. Even random thoughts or scribbles could turn into gold later. Focus area: belief systems, personal truth, mental expansion. This is a powerful day for mental breakthroughs. Ask yourself, what belief no longer fits the person I'm becoming? It's time to shed the old story. June 15th, the courage to pivot. The moon moves into Capricorn, bringing a grounded, goal-oriented energy. What was a big idea yesterday suddenly feels doable today. Now that you've awakened to a deeper truth, it's time to act on it. This is the day to take decisive steps. Whether that means applying for something, sending that email, launching that idea, or finally saying no to what drains you, it's about owning your power. You may feel a healthy sense of pressure, a seriousness that says, you've got this, but only if you take it seriously. Keywords: structure, momentum, integrity. Astro. Tip: make a loose action plan, even if it's messy. Perfection isn't the goal, momentum is. Focus: area, career, responsibilities, long-term vision. There's incredible strength in saying yes to yourself, especially if you've been putting everyone else first. Let this be the day you pivot away from procrastination and toward purpose. June 16th, the alignment. On the final day of the portal, the energy softens. You may feel tired, maybe even emotionally drained, but this isn't burnout. It's a deep, soulful exhaustion that comes after releasing heavy energy and stepping into a new vibration. This is the integration phase. You've awakened to what you want. You've started acting on it. Now, it's time to let it settle, to align your nervous system, heart, and spirit with this new path. Today, don't push yourself to do more. Instead, allow the shifts to land. Take deep breaths, walk outside, spend time in water if you can, showers, baths, lakes, oceans. Water helps transmute emotional energy and clears your aura. Keywords: alignment, peace, closure. Astro. Tip: meditate or simply sit in silence for a few moments. Let your intuition finish what your logic started. Focus area: emotional balance, boundaries, spiritual closure. This is the day to honor what's ending and welcome what's beginning. You've energetically signed a new contract with yourself. Now, nurture it with grace and trust. Final reminder: each of these days has its own vibe, but they work together like a mini journey. June 14, see the truth. June 15, take the leap. June 16, trust the process. This portal isn't just about one big aha. It's about a sacred sequence that starts in the soul and finishes in the real world. If you lean into each phase, by June 17th, you'll be operating from a whole new frequency, one that's aligned, empowered, and ready to reshape your future. Aquarius, this isn't just any energetic moment. It's a personal activation. The universe is handing you the mic, the stage, and the green light. So, what should you do with it? Here's how to make the most of this 72-hour cosmic window. 1. Reprogram your mindset. You're a visionary. What do you think matters? But if your mental loops are stuck on fear, doubt, or past disappointments, you're not just blocking yourself. You're holding back the future. This portal invites you to upgrade your inner dialogue. Affirmation: I release outdated beliefs and awaken to my true vision. Say it, write it, breathe it in. 2. Honor your inner rebel. You've never been here to blend in. You're the spark, the change, the shift. But sometimes you shrink your weird to make others comfortable. No more. This is your cosmic permission slip to be loud, bold, and unapologetically original. Start the project everyone said was too much. Wear the thing that makes you feel electric. Be the idea that changes the room. 3. Reconnect with your body. As an air sign, you tend to float in your head, analysing, dreaming, thinking. But real change, it lands in the body. This portal asks you to ground your genius. Try this. Do breath work in the morning. Walk barefoot on the earth. Stretch every hour. Drink more water than you think you need. Your body is the bridge between the vision and the manifestation. 4. Speak your truth, even if it's shaped. Ruled by the throat chakra, your power lives in your voice. But lately, have you been holding back? Whether it's a hard conversation, a boundary, or a big announcement, now is the time. Say it, write it, post it, whisper it to the mirror. Even if your voice trembles, speak anyway. The world needs the truth only you can tell. Final word, you're not here to fit into the old world. You're here to build the new one. And this portal is your call to lead with courage, clarity, and authenticity. Dear Aquarius, you were never meant to live a life that's ordinary, quiet, or confined by other people's expectations. From the moment you arrived, you carried a mission, a unique light code encoded deep in your soul, a spark designed to shift timelines, rewrite stories, and revolutionize the world around you. And guess what? The universe is sending you a direct, undeniable message through this 72-hour cosmic portal. You're ready. The future you've been dreaming about is already here, waiting for you to step into it. This portal isn't just a fleeting moment, it's your personal quantum leap, a once-in-a-lifetime invitation to shake off the old and activate the new. Drop the past. The past has done its job. It's taught you lessons, shaped your character, and brought you to this exact point. But now, it's time to release everything that no longer serves you, whether that's limiting beliefs, old fears, toxic relationship, or self-doubt. Imagine yourself stepping through a door behind which your entire past is left gently but firmly behind. Feel the weight lift off your shoulders. That's the freedom this portal offers. Activate the future. You've been holding visions, big, wild, and sometimes too much for others to understand. This portal brings the energy to activate those dreams. The plans you hesitated on, the passions you pushed aside, the risks you thought were too bold, now they're within reach. This is your cosmic green light, a powerful reminder that the next chapter is yours to write, and the pen is already in your hand. Embody your truth, Aquarius. Your greatest power lies in your authenticity. When you embody your truth without apology, you become a beacon for others. The energy of this portal supports you in stepping fully into who you are meant to be. No more hiding your idea or dimming your light to fit in. No more second-guessing your voice or your vision. You are the storm, the force of change that breaks barriers. And you're also the calm after the storm, the grounded stillness that rebuilds and renews. Don't hesitate, don't overthink, don't play. While this moment is rare, the universe is offering you a chance to fast-track your growth, your healing, and your transformation. Don't let fear or uncertainty freeze you in place. Trust yourself. Trust this portal. Trust the timing of your life. You have what it takes: the courage, the wisdom, the vision, and the fire to create a future that feels as exciting and authentic as you. Your future is calling. Will you answer? Right now, the choice is yours. Will you pick up the call and step into your power? Or will you let this moment pass? Remember, this 72-hour portal is a powerful catalyst, but it's up to you to walk through the door. So stand tall, take a deep breath, and leap forward. The future you've imagined is waiting for you, and it's brighter than you think. If this message resonates with you, hit that subscribe button. Join our community for more cosmic insights, astrology guidance, and powerful energy updates. Let's navigate your journey together, because your transformation deserves support and celebration. Subscribe now and never miss a moment of magic.